Isn't that adorable? Picking puppy players. There's an alliteration. Animal shelters throughout the country send in pictures of their puppies, hoping one will be chosen. Each puppy is photographed next to a can so that the judges can see its size. Puppies are typically between 8 and 16 weeks old, and each puppy is available for adoption. PetFinder.com, an organization that helps people find pets, picks the players based on cuteness and their ability to play well with others. Once the puppies are chosen, they are flown to New York City and taken to a film studio. Many volunteers are waiting at the studio to welcome the puppies, kittens, and other animal participants in the Puppy Bowl. Puppy protection. At the studio, camera crews film the puppies and their animals in action. While the Puppy Bowl is being recorded, the puppies and other animals are well cared for by all the volunteers and crew members. In addition, a veterinarian examines each puppy before it goes on camera and gives medical care that might be needed during the game. A worker from the Humane Society supervises all play. The puppies are filmed for only 20 minutes at a time to make sure that they stay safe and enjoy themselves. To make the game fair, the puppies are divided into groups so that they can play with puppies their own size. Even though puppies do not know how to play football, they seem to have fun on the field. There are puppy tug-of-war contests, puppies tripping over their own feet, and puppies falling into the water bowl, as well as puppies that seem confused and simply sit on the field. Which way do we go? A referee watches the puppies during the game and stops the game when necessary. If a puppy drags a toy to the end of the field, the referee announces a touchdown. Volunteers cheer when they hear the news. A puppy that gets too playful on the field may have to take a break. A puppy that falls asleep gets a timeout. And when there's a personal foul, a volunteer quickly grabs some paper towels to soak up the puddle. I think we can infer what that personal foul is without them actually telling us what that personal foul is. The staff members at Animal Planet enjoy the company of the puppies until the camera crews have collected many hours of film. Then they review the film and select the cutest moments to share with viewers of the Puppy Bowl. Everyone wins. In addition to the cuteness and fun, the Puppy Bowl has a serious side. All the puppies, kittens, and other animals come from animal shelters, and by the end of the Puppy Bowl each year, all of them are adopted. And that's not all. PetFinder.com reports that the Puppy Bowl increases the overall number of adoptions nationwide. The Puppy Bowl is always a fun day with a happy ending for both animals and humans. Fumble, the 2012 Puppy Bowl's most valuable puppy with his new owner. Alright, so that is the end of that passage, that selection, because it's nonfiction. And so, just like we did on Friday, you are given a paragraph and a question. You are going to use the highlight bar to find your text evidence for the for the answer to the question. And then you're going to move the red circle over your answer. Okay? Again, if you have anything in that paragraph or in your highlighted bar that you don't necessarily need, it's okay. You can just make sure that you have, we're going to not autofit. You just want to make sure that you have your text evidence. So if you have some extra in there, don't worry about it. Okay? And then after you are done with this, you're going to watch the last video to compare. And then you're going to turn this in and move on to the word study. Before we get started with this portion, I will show you one more cute video of the Puppy Bowl.